Andy, Bala, and Charlie have some cards. The number of cards Andy has is 12 more than 3 times the number of cards Bala have. And the number of cards Charlie has is 24 more than 2/3 of the cards of Andy has. And then Andy has 16 more cards than Charlie. Okay, what I'll do first is I want to start drawing line by line. So 12 more cards than 3 times of Bala. Yeah, so can you see that what it really means is actually there are 3 Balas. So you draw 3 Balas, and then Andy has 12 more. Yeah, so is this long bar which consists of 3 Bs plus 12. Okay, next, the number of Charlie has 24 more than 2/3 of Andy. So I'm going to find 2/3 of Andy. So 2 out of 3 units will be only 2 units, and then 2/3 of 12 will be only 8. Yeah, so this is 8. And then Charlie is 24 more. That means you draw the whole thing, then 24 more. Okay, so here you can actually see that it's unit, and 8. Okay, so now how do I draw the full of Andy? Because right now it seems like another information will be 16, and Andy has 16 more cards than Charlie. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to draw the full of Andy, which consists of 1 unit and 2 units, and then we have 8, okay, plus another. Actually, going back is to make it easier, so we have okay, a bit more, which is 12, and then plus another unit. Okay, so now let's see what we can do about it. All right, can you see that the only difference is this part? Okay, let me find a pen. Okay, let's see. Can you see that the only difference is this part? Okay, so what we will do is we are able to find the value of 1 unit from here. Okay, and in fact, okay, let's see. Okay, it's a bit interesting here because I need to squeeze 16 inside here because Andy has 16 more than Charlie. Okay, so let me draw again. So total we have 24 plus 8, which is 32, and meaning that there is this gap which is 16. Okay, then we have 12 here, and then we have a full unit. Alright, okay, not drawn to proportion, but you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so the value of 1 unit is actually 32 plus 16 total minus of 12. Okay, 32 plus 16 minus of 12, which is 36. Okay, so how many cards does Charlie have? So Charlie has 2 units plus 8 plus 24, which is 32, which is equals to 2 times 36 plus 32. So this is 104. Okay, so this is part A, 104. And then parts B, how many cards do the 3 boys have all together? So I have found C already, so let's find A, which is 3 units plus 12 from the top. Okay, which is 3 times 36 plus 12, 3 times 36 plus 12, which is 3 times 36 plus 12, 120, and 1, and B is only 1 unit, which is 36. So A and B and C is equals to 120 plus 36 plus 104, which is 260. Yeah, 260.